Hey everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review with US 30 Dow Jones. Today is Wednesday, September 28th, 2022. All right, so let's jump right into it here. As yesterday we discussed, we were looking to take out this level here. This happens to be November 10, was a imbalance and a demand block, lows underneath that. So definitely the algorithm is trying to find liquidity and balance price and take out stops. So stop hunts, right? So the candle for today is this candle right here, which started yesterday at 6 p.m., ended at 6 p.m. today. And this is the new candle, daily candle that started at 6 p.m. today. All right, so price opened up here. And if you remember yesterday, go look back at the video if you didn't see it. We had some price movement, came down, took out this level. And now that we have that objective done, generally the objective is to now take liquidity above. So if you recall, we had that level here. This is part of this imbalance here between these two, this daily imbalance. So day prior, barely tapped it. It did tap it though, but it didn't really fully mitigate it, right? So today, starting yesterday, price took out that level, rallied all the way up. We had a little bit of news today, and price, as we discussed, took out all those equal highs and got into that imbalance. That was the objective. You'll see the chart yesterday that we discussed. All right, so let's go break it down to a smaller time frame. I can show you where your opportunities were. Now, definitely you're looking for sells because you're in a bearish market, but we were reaching this level, and once we reach a level like this, now it could have dropped more, but if you were paying attention to the chart, yes, this was at 6 in the morning, but if you woke up even at 9:30, 8:30, started trading the New York session, you would have seen a market shift. So we wait for price to tell us what to do, right? We wait for price to come to us. We're not chasing price. So the reason why we weren't looking for any sells at the moment was because we have this big market shift right here. So broke this high, right? Came up, came down. It's a 15-minute chart. Came down into this demand block pretty nicely. Balanced that imbalance price, at least 50% of it. You could have been a buyer here. Then price rallied again, broke that level, break a structure. Now we have another higher high and a higher low. That's what structure is, right? So came back in to this, the last down before the up move. That's generally how you find your blocks, right? Institutional blocks. This demand block, it came back in. And if you look closely, you'll see that we had an imbalance in here, all right? And price came back down, came in here, and as you can see, no bodies of candles here, just all wicks, so creating a level of support. So resistance now turned support, right? So a couple confluences here with that imbalance, price smacked it in there and rallied off again. Price kept rallying. You had another demand block here. Price went up, down move before the up move came down, came back in. As you can see, you could have been a buyer again here. And then the objective was generally, we've been saying it all week prior even, that we wanted to take out these equal highs because they're too clean, right? We had the same situation go on even over here, but that never made it, right? So same example. So price took out all these highs, came into this imbalance, and now is sitting in here. Now, what can happen? Numerous things can happen. This could fall down and take out this low and, take out lower objectives, or it could keep, it could create structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, come and take out and finish this imbalance, or come up to this next little imbalance. It could be left alone, or this could be a liquidity run where we have, look at all these people were selling, right? So there's a lot of money sitting here, right above all these highs. So the algorithm will look to take liquidity. So we could have a little run, as we were mentioning in previous videos, where this could be the retracement now. So from A to B, and C is becoming the retracement if we're still bearish, which we are bearish still. But we do have a good shift in structure right now, so we'll play it by ear. But we can see price come and hit these levels. We can see price come and get all those liquidity above these highs, fill into this imbalance here. We have a major, large imbalance here, balance run here. So I don't see price going that high, but I do know this was a target. In between here is a target. Taking out this imbalance is a target, and then some of these highs. So we'll see how the day goes. I'm sorry, as price goes throughout. The month is ending, so we're gonna get a new monthly candle. So should be interesting. And if I go back out, you'll see here that we have this fib from here to here. So we're measuring this retracement. If it becomes a deep one, generally the 50 is the equilibrium. So we can see price come into this supply block, come and hit this mitigation block here, or come into imbalance to price this imbalance as well, because this is still fairly large as well. So we'll see how it ends up, and hope this was helpful. Take care. God bless.